Now I am explaining this lesson. In this lesson, the match was to be played on Sunday, 2 weeks later. Rajam is a friend of Swaminathan. One day Rajam lost all peace of mind. He became angry and he felt confident on his team could defeat the YMU. YMU is a team name, Young Man Union, and he himself be a not let down the team like that he is a good player. And another friend Mani who was very steady if impressive, and he is also a good batsman. One day, there was only one player who caused him the deepest worry, and one player was that who was very worried about day and night about the match. Who is that? That is Swaminathan. And for Swaminathan, their friends are given a name Tate. Tate means that is the nickname after the famous English fast bowler Maurice Tate. That is the first bowler name. That name only is given to the Swaminathan as a Tate. And he looked uncertain. Even with the match only a 2 weeks off, he did not seem to be care for practice. Swami, why you not doing practice? Only 2 weeks are there for match. So Rajam pleaded, please do try to have at least 1 hour practice in the evening. Certainly, Rajam, if you can suggest a way. Like that, Rajam suggests to the Swaminathan. Why not tell your headmaster that about the maths? Then Swaminathan said, oh, no, no. I am grateful to you for your suggestion, but let us not think of that man. Please don't be say about my headmaster. I don't care. What I want is that you should have good practice. Rajam said, if you keep any batsman standing for more than 5 minutes, definitely I will never see your face again. Like that rashly, Rajam said to Swaminathan. Then Swaminathan went to home and he realized that his evening were more precious. As soon as the evening bell rang, he lined up with the rest in the drill ground. As usually, after ring the bell, he make the line for the drill. But contrary to the custom, means different from what usually happens for every day. That day different is happened. What that? He had not taken off his coat and cap. All the others were in their shirts and their dhotis tucked up. Tuck means with the folded. For drilling, for doing drill like that they make the dress. But the drill master stopped before the Swaminathan and looked him up and down and paused and said, you won't get leave and leave coat and cap off. Why not leave coat and cap? Swaminathan became desperate, means nervous, and said, sir, I am in a terrible state of health. Means I am not feeling well. I can't attend drill today. If I attend the drill, I shall die. Like that, Swaminathan said to the drill master. The drill master became very shocked and said, and then he turned round the Swaminathan with a fierce oath. Fierce oath means with angry. What is the matter with you? Sir, the Swaminathan said, sir, the whole of last night I was delirious. Delirious means it is a disease. The drill master was stunned by this piece of news. You were delirious? Suddenly he became shocked. I didn't sleep a wink last night. Means 1 second also I didn't sleep at last night. I was delirious. Our doctor said so. He asked me not to attend drill for a week. Like that, doctor advised me don't be attend the drill for a week. So listen this, drill master. Okay, get out from here. Like that he said, and he went to home, went to the playground. And there Rajam looked to the Swaminatha, jumped with joy. And the next morning he formed a plan. Who? Swaminathan. Be free all the evenings of the week. So at the morning 7:30 he woke up and he went to the shop. Whose shop? That is doctor's shop. The doctor name was TK7LM and S. Krishna Dispensary. Swaminathan found the doctor was alone and free and entered the shop. Hello Swaminathan, what is the matter? Doctor said. Swaminathan said, Doctor, I want a doctor's certificate immediately. Then suddenly doctor said, What is the matter with you? Then Swaminathan said, I will tell you the truth, doctor. I have to play a match next week against the Young Men's Union and I must have some practice. But here in our school, headmaster making a drill classes after 4:30 at evening. So I am not getting time for practice. For that, if you could give me a certificate asking them to let me off at 4:30, it would help me for practice to win the match. Well, I could do it, but is there anything wrong with you? Anything has happened with you? Your headmaster not support to you? Then Swaminathan said, I am beginning to feel of late that I have delirium. For practice, I am not getting time. That's why I say to the drill master, I have delirium. Then boy, doctor said, did you say delirium? You know what is meant by delirium? Then Swaminathan said, yeah, exactly, I don't know, but maybe it is some kind of stomach ache. So listen that the doctor laughed too much until he got choke him. After, then he once again examined the Swaminathan, testing his tongue, tapped his chest, and declared him he is a good health, and told him he would do well to stick to his drill. You should have to do the drill to make your health good. But what about my practice? How can I manage both? Then doctor said, it is very well, but you should have to do. Okay, I will help you, but I can't give you a certificate. I should be prosecuted if I give any such certificate. Prosecuted means penalty for crime. Then Swaminathan said, who is going to find out, doctor? What if you gave the certificate? Who will find out? Then the doctor said, I wish you all be success in your match. But don't worry, I can't give you a certificate. But I shall talk to your headmaster about you and request him to let you off after 4:30. That will do. You are very kind to me, doctor. Saying that, Swaminathan said thanks to the doctor and went to school. Like this way, the Swaminathan skipped his evening drill practice to make a time for upcoming match, and like this he is doing practice for winning the match. That's all, children.